exploring the phrase, skip it. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the commonly used English phrase, skip it. By the end of this video, you'll understand when, how, and why we use this phrase. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the word skip on its own. In its most basic sense, skip refers to a light hopping motion, often done by children when they're playful or joyful. Imagine jumping with a little bounce, moving forward each time. That's skipping. However, in the context of the phrase, skip it, the meaning changes a bit. Here, skip means to omit or avoid something. Now that we understand the literal meaning, let's see how skip it is used in conversations. 1. Avoidance. 2. Would you like some more cake? 3. No, thank you. I'll skip it. Here, skip it means the person has chosen to avoid or omit having more cake. 4. Disinterest or dismissal. 5. I was going to tell you about my day, but. 6. Oh, skip it. It's not that important. In this context, the speaker is indicating that they don't want to bother explaining or that the topic is not worth discussing. 7. Forgiveness or overlooking a mistake. 8. I'm sorry I forgot to bring the book you lent me. 9. That's okay. Just skip it. Here, skip it is a way of saying, don't worry about it, or, it's okay. While skip it is quite popular, there are other variations of this phrase that you might encounter. 1. Skip over it. This can mean to bypass a certain part while reading, watching, or discussing something. 2. Give it a skip. This is a more informal way of saying that you'll omit or avoid something. And there we have it. Skip it is a versatile phrase in the English language that can mean to omit, avoid, or even dismiss something. It's a handy phrase to know and can be used in various contexts. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel more confident using skip it in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!